Thank you for your interest in CQUniversity's Bachelor of Medical Science pathway to medicine. This short video will explain the application process for the general admission pathway. Your first step in application is to register and complete the Universal Clinical Aptitude Test ANZ, or UCAT ANZ. This will test your abilities and professional behaviours and is a standardised process used across several universities and helps in the selection process. It consists of 5 separately timed subtests, which each contain a number of questions in a multiple choice format and covers areas such as verbal, quantitative and abstract reasoning, decision making and situational judgment. Your next step is to apply through QTAC. To do this, view the How to Apply section on the course page. You need to submit your application prior to the due date.
When applying through QTAC, you will see there is an option to apply for a Pathway to Medicine bonded medical program. If you apply via this program, you must commit to working in an area of workplace shortage for a specified period after you've completed your professional training, and you'll need to sign a deed of agreement when progressing into UQ's Doctor of Medicine. More information about this is on our website, along with information on when your application submission is due.
You may be eligible to receive adjustment factors through the Subject Incentive Scheme, Rural Access Scheme or Educational Access Scheme or EAS. Adjustment factors are capped at a maximum of 5 adjustments across any or all schemes that you are eligible for. For those of you eligible for adjustment points with the Subject Incentive Scheme, adjustments to your ATAR or rank will be applied automatically. If you've completed a SUN unit with CQUniversity, you will need to attach a copy of your transcript to the supporting documentation section when you submit your application. For those of you eligible for the Rural Access Scheme adjustment points, for either or both living in rural Australia and/or central Queensland and Wide Bay, you will need to submit supporting documentation to demonstrate residence in these areas of at least 10 years cumulatively or any 5 years consecutively since birth. This can include a supporting letter from your school or workplace or from a healthcare provider or pharmacy, for example. You can also use utility bills or bank statements that show your address at the time of issue that show dates or lengths. These types of documents can be with your family address. The Educational Access Scheme, or EAS, is available for QTAC applicants whose recent study was impacted by financial or personal challenge. You will need to supply supporting documentation depending on the type of hardship you have encountered. Find out more about supporting documentation at the QTAC website. For more information on supporting documentation, or if you need help with getting a copy of your SUN transcript, visit our website or give us a call on 132786. Once we've received your QTAC application, we will access your UCAT results, and then QTAC will send you a letter to let you know if you've been selected to attend a multiple mini interview. The MMI interviews will be held in late November, early December, and will involve a series of short interviews over a few hours. MMIs are designed to assess your non-academic qualities and provide you with opportunities to demonstrate skills and qualities such as verbal communication, adaptability and empathy. They will be held at both the Bundaberg and Rockhampton CQ Uni campuses, and you'll be required to attend these interviews in person. Following the release of ATAR results in December, we will finalise assessment of your application based on your ATAR, MMI and UCAT results. Your UCAT makes up 25% of your application, the MMI 50% and ATAR 25%. Successful applicants will receive an offer in QTAC's January main offer round. If you're successful, you will receive a provisional offer for the University of Queensland MD program at the same time. If you are an Aboriginal and/or Torres Strait Islander applicant, you may choose to apply via our Aboriginal and/or Torres Strait Islander admission pathway. Refer to our video on this pathway if you feel this is an option you'd like to explore. If you have any questions about the application process, please feel free to reach out to us on 132786 or send us an email.